NANN is thrilled to announce our award winners and celebrate the many contributions to our profession throughout the last year. NANN's journal Advances in Neonatal Care gives the Article of the Year award to recognize an outstanding contribution to our neonatal nursing journal by an author or authors. The Research Article of the Year recipient is BRITT PADOS for her article titled Know the Flow: Milk Flow Rates from Bottle Nipples Used in the Hospital and After Discharge. Milk flow rates may play an important role in an infant's ability to safely and efficiently coordinate sucking, swallowing, and breathing during feeding. BRITT set out to test the milk flow rates from bottle nipples used in the hospital and after discharge. BRITT's findings concluded that milk flow rates varied widely, with packing information not accurately reflecting flow rates of bottle nipples. Congratulations, BRITT! The Clinical Article of the Year award goes to Brianna Jacobs-Pepin, Deb Leslie, Thomas Pokora, Allison Spalding, and Wendy Berg, along with their multidisciplinary team at Children's Minnesota St. Paul NICU campus for their article titled ZAP-VAP, a quality improvement initiative to decrease ventilator-associated pneumonia in the neonatal intensive care unit. With ventilator-assisted pneumonia, VAP being the second most frequent hospital-acquired infection in NICUs, especially for the already high-risk, extremely low birth weight infants, Brianna, Deb, and Thomas set out to evaluate the effectiveness of a VAP prevention bundle, ZAP-VAP, in reducing VAP. The article illustrates the team's purpose, methods, and results, which signified VAP rate significantly decreasing from 8.5 pre-intervention to 2.5 post-intervention. Congratulations to the team! Through a productive mentor-mentee relationship, the Small Grants Program provides neonatal nurses who have not been previously engaged in writing research proposals or who have not obtained research funding to begin a research project in an area of interest. Each recipient receives a grant made possible by Abbott Nutrition. The 2020 Small Grant recipients are Nasibe Escuta Hilaolo for neonatal nurses' practices about family-centered care and implementation barriers. Alyssa Weiss for failure to rescue in the neonatal intensive care unit, a grounded theory study. Congratulations to our small grant winners! The following awards celebrate the best abstracts in each award category from the 2020 submissions. They are as follows. Beth Deal for her paper, Neonatal Nursing, Aspects of Clinical Practice Liability. Best Poster, Ashley Weber for her poster, Family-Centered Care Practices in the U.S., Prevalence, Gaps, and How We Move Forward. Congratulations to our conference abstract winners. The NNP Excellence Award is presented to someone passionate and committed to advancing neonatal nursing and improving the outcomes of patients and their families. This year, we are pleased to recognize Stephanie McGuire. Stephanie, who works at Connecticut Children's Medical Center, has been praised for her work ethic, passion, and generosity. At the bedside with her gentle words and touch, Stephanie can create an environment of safety, respect, and understanding for every family. Stephanie does not pass on an opportunity to teach and implement current best practices. Whether speaking at a regional conference, training nurses, or talking through the importance of skin-to-skin with a family, Stephanie is always willing to share her expertise. As a staunch advocate for nursing, healthcare, and neonatal legislation, Stephanie is also dedicated to pushing the nursing agenda and getting her fellow nurses involved. Active on the local and national level, there is not much Stephanie is not willing to do to advance the profession and role of the neonatal nurse practitioner. Thank you, Stephanie, for your dedication to neonatal nursing. Congratulations, Stephanie! The Distinguished Service Award recognizes outstanding and dedicated service to NANN by honoring an individual who has advanced the mission of the association in a significant and lasting way. NANN is honored to award Dr. Medea ESSER with this year's Distinguished Service in NANN Award. Medea is a member of SWAN, a current Director-at-Large on the NANN Board, and Board Liaison to the NANN Research Committee, Small Grants Committee, and Research Institute Steering Council. Medea brings inspiring and strategic ideas to the committees she works with in order to advocate for research and scholarship with NANN. Medea has used her position at the local and national level to recommit the organization to its pillar of research. Medea has diligently worked to revamp the Research Summit, working collaboratively with Mead Johnson Nutrition, NANN staff, and various committees to ensure participants have an extraordinary experience. We are grateful for the work Medea has done to support NANN and nursing research. Congratulations, Medea! The recipient of NANN's Mentor of the Year Award goes to a NANN member who consistently demonstrates the power of mentoring. Recipients are clinically and technically proficient, demonstrate outstanding teaching and motivational ability, and willingly share their knowledge and experience with others. This is embodied by this year's award recipient, KRISTEN GERHARDT. KRISTEN has been praised for her ability to lead, mentor, and advocate for fellow nurses. As a neonatal clinical education specialist at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, KRISTEN has successfully restructured the orientation and onboarding experience of new nurses. Understanding how important the onboarding process is for new nurses in their development, KRISTEN has emphasized using feedback, face-to-face meetings, team-based preceptorship, and post-orientation mentorship follow-up. KRISTEN works endlessly to ensure ongoing teaching opportunities are available to nurses in order to assist with professional growth and confidence. KRISTEN has helped introduce an education calendar in her unit and developed a capstone class that teaches complicated, high-risk skills that were noted to create stress in the new-to-practice nurse. KRISTEN is creative, supportive, and instrumental in the mentoring of many nurses. Congratulations, KRISTEN! NANN's Leadership Award aims to recognize members who can mobilize and unify others for the improvement of neonatal care. This year, we are happy to award NANN's Leadership Award to Anna Leifer. Anna is a leader that directly invests her time and talents into nurturing and supporting her employees at the Newborn Critical Care Center at the UNC Children's Hospital. Anna has demonstrated that one of the best ways to improve neonatal care is to support the nurses doing the work at the bedside. In 2017, Anna was one of the leaders who took the initiative to implement a mentorship program at her hospital, allowing nurses to learn and grow in a more encouraging environment. Through her determination to make neonatal nursing universally better, Anna also continues to lead quality improvement and positive, evidence-based practice changes. Anna has been praised by her colleagues as a leader that is supportive, determined, and motivating. Anna reminds us that nurses are more influential as a unified, supported front. We are thankful for her leadership. Congratulations, Anna. In 1989, NANN established the ROBYN Maine Excellence in Clinical Practice Award. This award is given in honor of ROBYN Maine, who was a staff developmental specialist and perinatal clinical nurse specialist. Her dedication to patients, family, and neonatal nursing in spite of a battle with terminal cancer was one that continues to be a source of inspiration for our profession. So it is befitting that the recipient of this award be someone who recognizes and encourages excellence in neonatal nurses who provide direct patient care. This year's recipient is Tamara Robinson. Tammy has been a NICU nurse at Banner Desert Medical Center since 2008. Tammy has been described as a highly skilled, compassionate team member that is dedicated to patients, families, and the profession of neonatal nursing. Tammy is unmatched in her ability to provide family-centered care, always respecting the needs of families at the bedside. Her awareness of diversity, inclusion, and equity is evident to those around her as she provides consistent, unbiased care to patients and families. Tammy is devoted to continuously growing her clinical knowledge and sharing her findings with others. As chair of the High-Risk Nurse Committee and chair of the Code Review Committee, Tammy assists with training and educating her fellow colleagues. Join us in celebrating Tammy, an extraordinary clinician and caregiver. The Lifetime Achievement in Neonatal Nursing Award recognizes an individual's long-standing commitment to and profound impact on the field of neonatal nursing. This year, we are thrilled to present the Lifetime Achievement Award to Dr. DEBRA Brandon. A dedicated member to NANN since 1978, Deb has volunteered innumerable hours of service to the association. Deb has made significant and lasting contributions to the field of neonatal nursing, with over 80 peer-reviewed publications related to neonatal care, over 30 editorials and/or published abstracts, and several international consultations related to skin care, palliative care, as well as NICU unit design. Joining the editorial board for advances in neonatal care in 2004, Deb worked her way up to co-editor-in-chief of the journal, a position she has now held since 2014. Deb has been instrumental in the continued growth and success of the journal, working to promote evidence-based care and improved outcomes for the tiniest patients. Beyond her work as an editor, Deb has been praised for her mentoring and teaching abilities. To highlight just some of her accomplishments in this area, Deb won the Duke University School of Nursing PhD Student Teaching Award in 2015, Duke Graduate School Mentor Award in 2017, and Samuel Du Bois Cook, Raymond Gavin's Distinguished Faculty Award in 2018. Deb has given much of her time and talent to improving neonatal caregiving. We are thankful for her contributions and honored to present her with this award. Congratulations, Deb. Thank you for your commitment and contributions to the neonatal nursing profession. Please join us in congratulating our 2020 award winners.